how to prepare your condo for a quick and lucrative sale. Thinking about selling your condo in Sunny Isles Beach? A key to a fast and profitable sale is making sure your property looks and feels irresistible to buyers. Small strategic changes can lead to bigger offers and quicker closings. Today, I'm sharing exactly what you need to do to prepare your condo for maximum appeal and top dollar. I'm Candice Bell, luxury real estate expert. Let's dive in. Declutter and create a luxury feel. Buyers want to walk into a space that feels open and airy and ready for them to move in. Pack away all personal photos, all bold decor, and anything that makes the space feel too lived in. Buyers should be able to imagine their own lifestyle here. Declutter is more than just about moving items. It's about curating an environment that feels polished and very high-end. Even the smallest imperfections can make buyers hesitate. Take them seriously before doing the listing. Touch up paint, replace outdated fixtures. Neutral, modern finishes help condos feel fresh and airy and move-in ready. If needed, update cabinet handles, light fixtures, hardware for a more sleek and contemporary touch. Buyers pay more for a home that feels brand new, even if it's not. Small updates go a long way. Deep clean for a flawless presentation. Luxury buyers expect spotless spaces, and a condo that's clean signals that it's been well taken care of. Please hire a professional. Details matter, from the windows to the floors, kitchen appliances, everything. Keep the space sleek, elegant, and sophisticated. Tackle repairs and modernize key features. Even the smallest imperfections can make buyers hesitate. Take care of them before doing your listing. Touch up paint, replace outdated fixtures, and ensure all appliances are in excellent condition. Neutral, modern finishes help your condo feel fresh and move-in ready. Stage to sell. Highlight your condo's best features. Luxury buyers seek more than just a home. They seek to secure a lifestyle that reflects their aspirations as well as their success. Your staging should reflect that. Arrange the furniture to enhance the flow. Create a sense of spaciousness. Less is more when it comes to staging. Use mirrors that reflect natural light and make the space feel larger and brighter. If you have a balcony with an ocean view, make that stand out. Incorporate stylish outdoor seating and soft lighting to showcase it as the ultimate relaxation spot. Make a stunning first impression. Buyers form their opinions in the first few seconds. Make those seconds count. Since condos don't really have traditional side curb appeal, focus on the entryway. Keep hallways immaculate and welcoming. Inside, elevate the space with small but impactful touches. Fresh flowers, soft lighting, and modern accents. Upgrading window shades to neutral modern design instantly refresh a space and enhance the natural light flow. What's next? You take action. Here are a few tips to get started. Create a detailed checklist of all the necessary repairs and improvements, and then tackle them systematically before doing your listing. Schedule a professional cleaner to ensure every surface in your condo is pristine and buyer ready. Arrange a consultation with a luxury stager to refine your condo's aesthetic and highlight its best features. Also, research recently sold listings in your building or your area to understand competitive pricing and position your condo effectively. Walk through your condo as if you were the buyer, with the buyer's mindset. Would it impress you at first glance? If not, adjust accordingly. Last but not least, you are not alone. If any of this seems like more than you want to handle, connect with a luxury real estate expert. Then trust and allow them to take care of everything for you, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more real estate insights. And for more detailed tips on selling in Sunny Isles Beach, grab your Lux VIP guide, your go-to resource for navigating this thriving market. Thank you so much for watching.